Quoc Yên, Thailand. A packed commuter train heads through town. The train gains speed as it approaches a crossing. And suddenly, a man on a moped comes out of nowhere and stops dead on the tracks. It's a violent collision. The man's wrapped around a signpost. The terrified rider tries to turn at the last moment. But it's too late. Notice there are no gates or lights at the crossing. The engineer blasts the horn as he approaches, but not in time for the moped. The rider is seriously injured, but survives this horrifying head-on with a speeding locomotive.